Hey guys, how you doing? It's Sascha Chatman here. Thank you for joining for my new construction tour. I'm out here in Argyle again, and we're looking at 1424 13th Street in Argyle School District. This is a beautiful plantation home. It's on the market right now, ready for you. It's the end of the year, and they will make a good deal. Let's go see it. But first, like and subscribe. Let's go. As always with Plantation Homes, they have a beautiful elevation. I love how their homes are facing the elevation. Right now, this house is priced at $433,000, but we can get you a better deal than that. Let's take a look inside. Now, when you first come in, you see this long, beautiful hallway. I love it. I love the floors on this house. To your left is the first living area. You want to call it an office, that's fine because it got the French doors there. It's really, really nice. One thing I want to point out about Plantation Home is the 8-foot doorways. It just makes everything look so much bigger. Okay. Now, to your right here is the first bathroom. This is a complete one story. I'm gonna show you the bathroom a little bit more, but this is the first bathroom that you have. It's kind of a Jack and Jill, but not quite the Jack and Jill, but you'll see what I'm talking about. All right. Now, when you go to here, here's your first bedroom. Okay. So it's a decent sized bedroom, and it is connected to the bathroom we were just talking about. So they have their own sink on this side, and there's the rest of the bathroom, and you just saw the other sink for the other bathroom. Okay. Now, this is the second bedroom right here. So they would have the other sink, so it's kind of a Jack and Jill without being a Jack and Jill, if you know what I mean. So I really do like it. Now, going back down this long hallway, you can see the details, the tray ceilings, the arches. It just gives that extra flavor of what you want in a home. Super, super nice. To your left, this would be your next living area or game room. Okay, it's really nice. It's pre-wired. It's a really nice size room. The video is probably not doing it justice, but trust me, it's nice. Here's a half bath here. Okay, just a half bath, so your guests are not sharing the same bathroom as you or your family. All right, and then in here, to your right, this is a utility room, and it's huge. It's a lot of space. It's a big utility room, right? One thing I like about Plantation Homes as well is the mud rooms that they have in there. So just little extra things like that make the home nicer. Now, when you first come into the family room, it's wide open. I mean, look at the large windows, the open. You can see where they put all the space at in this home, all right? Now, fireplace is a little bit off center, so you can make your TV the centerpiece of this home, but it's still a nice size room, guys. And it's perfect for entertaining. These high ceilings just give that room a little bit more depth than like an 8-foot ceiling. So I love the fact they got this large patio on the side there. We'll go see that more, but I do like this kitchen though. Check out the kitchen. I love their islands. They love to have the white cabinets, and as you come up a little bit more, they got little hidden gems in here, like little extra storage space right there. And then this, I would love this because we get so much mail, and this is exactly where we would keep our mail. I don't know what you would do, but comment down below what you do with your mail to give me some ideas. To your right, this is the pantry. Okay, so the pantry is actually really nice. It's a decent size. So everything about this place is nice. I love the gas stove. You know, I like gas better than electricity. So that's super nice. And, you know, this is a pretty big area for a breakfast nook. You can put a large table in there. Okay. Now, they went with a little extra space on the patio, so this one's a little bit bigger. You can see how much bigger it is, so it's perfect for entertaining, barbecuing, and everything like that. And then I personally believe the yard is big, but it's not too big. You know, I mean, I'm not a yard guy, but this looks nice. It's nice enough. I can relax, have a good time, and not have to cut grass all day. Now, when you go to your right, straight down this way here, is where the master's at. So it's kind of off away from the rest. So here's the master bedroom right here. It's a nice size. I like these little half windows on the left here that bring a little extra lighting in there. I actually like that. So I think that's really nice. Now, it's actually pretty deep, and I'm gonna show you to you on the way back out how deep it is. When you go in here, here's obviously your master bath. I love the tub. I love how they tubs are kind of standalone. I really like that. Okay, your shower's back there. I like a little see-through peekaboo there. That I do like. Here is his sink or hers. Okay, so here's a her sink situation here. And there's her sink. Same thing. Now, I know everyone likes to see the closet. Let's look at the closet. So you get a decent sized closet here. Okay. There's a lot you can do with this closet. Now, when we go back out here, you can see how deep the bedroom actually is. Thanks for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. This home is available right now. Now, they just dropped the price down to $433. It's the end of the year. You'll make a better deal than it. I guarantee you. So you need representation on your deal, give me a call. You have my number. I'm going to show you a couple more models in this neighborhood. Harvest is so nice. Make sure you watch my video about why you want to move to Harvest in Argyle. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see this home, call me.